Want to shrink large videos without losing quality? Here's how I compressed a 5.3 gigabyte video down to just 417 megabytes using HandBrake, a free and open source video compressor. First, go to handbrake.fr and download the app for your system. Install it. It's quick and totally free. Once installed, open HandBrake and drag your video file into the window. Or click Open a File and browse to where your video is saved. After loading the video, don't change too many settings. We'll just adjust one key thing. Go to the Video tab. You'll see a constant quality slider, usually set to 23. This number controls compression. Lower numbers equals higher quality, higher numbers equals smaller file size. I recommend setting it to 26. This keeps visual and audio quality high while reducing size dramatically. Next, define where you want to save the compressed video. Click Browse, choose the folder, and name the output file. Now click the Start Encode button at the top. HandBrake will begin compressing the video. Once finished, check the file size. What was once over 5 gigabytes is now under 500 megabytes with almost no visible loss in quality. Play both files side by side and you'll barely notice any difference. And that's how you compress videos with HandBrake in 2025. Clean, fast, and free. Follow for more editing and optimization tips, and let me know if you want a mobile version or batch compression guide next.